Hello, my overthinking friend. How are you today? Overthinking again? Intrusive thoughts, negative thoughts, mosquitoes, yeah? A lot of problems, a lot of memories, a lot of imagination, planning. Today I want to show you one simple, short practice to quiet your mind. And it's going to be a very special practice. And later you will understand why. If you want, you can join me. Find your comfortable position, the most comfortable position. This is my most comfortable position today. You can lie down, you can sit, you can stand, it doesn't matter. Whenever you're ready, when you found your comfortable position, just close your eyes and bring your attention to your body, or bring attention to this passing by scooter. And this is why today's practice is special. We're going to focus not only on our body, but on some noises around, some annoying noises, and we will learn how to be okay with them. Just notice them, just focus, just use it as an object for focusing and train our mind. So close your eyes and let's take one deep breath together. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Feel your face, feel your head, feel your lips. Now bring your attention to my voice. Do not judge, just listen to it. Just be aware. Now switch your attention to this scooter passing by. And now feel your neck, feel your shoulders, feel your clothes hanging on your shoulders if you're wearing something. If you are not wearing anything, just notice it. I'm not wearing anything. At some moment, if your mind starts drifting away and overthink again, just notice it, don't fight, just listen to this scooter. Do not escape from your thoughts. Just notice and bring your attention back to sensations in your body. Feel your chest, feel your belly, hear this car passing by me, hear this truck. It's okay, it's distracting, it's very loud, but just notice it. Don't fight, don't be angry, this is just practice. And these sounds make this practice more efficient. If your mind starts drifting away again and you start overthinking, remember something, planning something, it's okay. Just allow it to be, just notice it, and bring attention back to your body. Feel your belly, feel your butt. If you sit, feel the contact between your butt and surface that you're sitting on. Feel your legs. Hear this scooter passing by. It's a very loud scooter. But do not allow it to make you feel angry or annoyed. It's okay. It's just universe supports you. It helps you to practice. Bring your attention back to your legs, to your feet. Feel the contact between your feet and surface that you're standing on. Now, bring your attention to the sound of nature around me. Listen to these birds. I hope you can hear them. And now, bring your attention back to your belly. And let's take another deep breath together. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. If your mind drifting away again, it's okay. Just bring your attention back to your breath. to your body. And during the day, do it again and again. Notice that you're overthinking and bring your attention back to your body. Now, whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes slowly, softly. You can hear this noise again of passing by scooter. Notice how you feel. Can you feel the difference? Share with me in the comments. I'm curious to know how was it for you. Feel free to ask me questions. Let me know if you want more videos like this. Do this practice during the day, every day, and it will become easier. It will become more powerful, and your mind will become more quiet. If you want more videos like these, tips about meditation, about emotions and mind, follow my account. Have a wonderful day and see you on the next tree.